How to use Cricut Smart Vinyl with Cricut Joy. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, create a design from scratch or select and upload a design you want to use. Step 2. Go ahead and click on Shapes, select one and resize it to fit the surface you're going to use the vinyl. Step 3. Click on the Color Swatch button and change the color of the template you just created. Step 4. Select your design and click on Attach, then place it on top of the template. Step 5. Unlock the design, then position and resize the design. Step 6. Once done, lock the design by clicking the padlock button on the lower left handle. Step 7. Select the template you created, then hide it by pressing the eye icon in the Layers panel. Step 8. Now, you need to create the stencil. To do this, go to Shapes again, select a square, unlock it, and drag it over your design. Step 9. Select the design layers from the Layers panel, right-click and select Send to Front. Step 10. Resize the stencil and make sure that everything fits. Step 11. If you see an alert next to the square layer, click on it, read the alert, and make the changes as required. Step 12. Select the design layer and click on Weld on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 13. Now, select the weld result and the stencil layer from the Layers panel and click Slice. Step 14. Once it's sliced, remove the letters, and you'll be left with the stencil letters to cut. Step 15. Select both the letters and delete it, then go ahead and click on Make It. Step 16. In the Prepare screen, check the preview of the stencil and click Continue, then select the material. Step 17. Open Cricut Joy, grab the Smart Vinyl, place the vinyl near the machine and it'll auto-load. Step 18. The machine will pull the vinyl through to align and measure. Once it's done, it'll pull through the other direction. Step 19. Go ahead and click Go in Design Space, and it'll start cutting. Step 20. Once it's done cutting, unload the vinyl and cut off the excess material. Step 21. Now, grab the weeding tool and start weeding out the design. Step 22. Once you're done weeding out the excess vinyl, grab the masking transfer tape and place it on top of the vinyl. Step 23. Trim off the masking transfer tape, then grab the scraper tool and brush it down nicely to adhere the vinyl to the transfer tape. Step 24. Flip over the design and scrap it down again. Step 25. Quickly trim off the excess material from the design. Step 26. Grab the surface where you're going to place the stencil. Place the stencil face down, and remove the backing sheet from the vinyl. Step 27. Flip the stencil over and place it on top of the surface. Step 28. Smooth down the stencil using the scraper tool, then peel off the transfer tape from the vinyl. Step 29. You can color the stencil, then peel off the transfer tape to complete the project. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.